Hello and welcome to this Pell 5-minute short on alerts. So within the Flow programs, Adrian, FlowNet, Piper, we have this little feature called alerts, and it's there to sort of help you analyze your results, help you find certain values that might be generated by the model. So let me show you what I mean. This is the 60-second guide example in Adrian. I'm just going to press calculate. So we've got our pipe results, but I'll look at my details. So this is my detailed pipe results. And maybe I want to understand where in this model I've got a high velocity. So I could look down this column here, velocity. It's not too complicated a model. So I should be able to understand that relatively simple. But you can imagine a larger, more complicated model. This is going to get increasingly more difficult to do. And I just want to know where I've got a velocity above a certain criteria. So I'm going to do setup, and basically you can alert on any property the program can report to. So sometimes you look at these and go, well, why would that be there? It's just because it will report on anything. I'm sure some will never be used, but quite a lot will be used. So maybe I want velocity. So velocity into the fitting, and I want to know everywhere it's above 100 meters per second, and this unit could be different to this unit. So this is reporting the unit that the model is using at the minute. So you can see meters per second there, that's that unit. But you could in this one put 100, I don't know, feet per hour or something strange like that if you wanted to, and it will understand in a sense what that means, convert it into meters per second and provide the alert. So I want to know if I've got anywhere greater than 100 meters per second. I'm going to press add. I'm going to press OK, and there you go. We've now got alerts on these three areas here, and you can see on our velocities, we've got high velocities coming out of that relief valve. So that's where it's picked those up. And it's fundamentally as simple as that. You can have more than one alert. So we're going back to setup, and maybe we want to do, let's go up here. Yeah, maybe we'll do stagnation pressure in, so that's in bar absolute. We want to know where it's, let's just say it's going to be above 10. I'm going to put that in bar gauge. I think I'm doing that's going to make that 9. And then I want to alert if it's greater than that. So I'm just going to add that in. We can press OK, and then it's picked up these values here. Now, obviously, that alert looks like that alert is just telling you there is an alert. So you'll need to go and understand what your alert is. If you put too many on, you will cover your model like I have done with alerts. But you can soon take these off again. So we don't want that one anymore. I just want to know about my stagnation pressure issues. Then I can see where they are. And that's fundamentally it. Nice, simple little feature just to aid and help and understand the results of your model. Get you from the problem to the question and to the answer, what I need to do about it that little bit quicker. Thank you for listening.